Hello guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. We will go through the day 1 problem from the June Leap Coding Challenge. We need to invert a binary tree. The inversion of tree shown will switch all the right nodes to the left node and all the left nodes to the right nodes. So the inverted tree will look like this. If the root is null, which means the tree is empty, in this case we will return the root as is. Else, we will recursively call the function on right and left of the root. While recursively calling the function on right, we will store its answer in a variable, say right. Similarly, while calling on left, we will store the answer in a variable left. We will then swap the nodes by assigning the right from step 2 to the left of the root and the left from step 3 to the right of the root. At the end, we will return the root. Let's see it with example. We will start with our root node. We will traverse to right of the root till we reach the rightmost leaf node. As we have reached the rightmost leaf node, we will store it in a variable right. Now we go to the left node and store it in left. As now we have the left and right for node 7, we will swap them. So the calculated right becomes the new left and the calculated left becomes the new right for the node 7. The new subtree looks like this. We now move to the other side. While moving, we see for node 4 the right is 7. We will again go to the rightmost leaf node on the left side. We can see that 3 is the rightmost leaf node and is also the right node for node 2. We will store it in a variable right. Node 1 becomes the left node for the node 2. So we store this one in variable left. We will now swap these nodes by assigning the left and right we calculated to the right and left of the node 2 respectively. The updated tree looks like this. Now we have reached the root node and we have the right for the root node as node 7 and the left as node 2. So we just need to swap these two nodes. After swapping, the tree looks like this. Now that we have visited and inverted all the nodes, we will return the root. The time and space complexity for this algorithm is O of n, where n is the number of nodes present in the tree. Here's the code snippet. Also, check out the link to the Java code in the description below. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Check out my other videos for more interview problems. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the video. Also, if you want me to make a video on one of your problem statement, do comment.